Spring has sprung. The air is alive with the sounds of nature awakening. In a quiet marsh, a Canadian goose nest teems with new life. Fluffy yellow goslings, their eyes bright with curiosity, emerge from their shells. They are greeted by their attentive parents, their soft honks a comforting welcome. The goslings are covered in down, providing warmth and camouflage. They are dependent on their parents for warmth and protection. The first few weeks are crucial. The goslings learn to swim and forage for food under their parents' watchful eyes. They dabble in the shallows, their tiny beaks snapping up insects and aquatic plants. The parents teach them essential life skills, preparing them for the journey ahead. The goslings grow rapidly. Their downy feathers are replaced by juvenile plumage. They practice flapping their wings, their instincts urging them skyward. Within a couple of months, they will be ready for their first flight. The day arrives. With a mighty leap and a flurry of feathers, the young geese take to the air. They follow their parents in a V formation, their honking a chorus of triumph. They are now part of the flock, ready to embark on the incredible journey of migration. Canadian geese are highly social birds. They live in flocks that can range in size from a few individuals to hundreds of birds. These flocks provide safety in numbers, warmth, and support during migration. The bond between family members is particularly strong. A goose family typically consists of a mated pair and their offspring. The parents share the responsibility of raising their young. They fiercely protect their goslings from predators, using their size and loud honks to deter threats. The family unit stays together for almost a year. Geese are known for their monogamous relationships. They often mate for life, strengthening the family bond even further. The strong social structure of the flock is essential for their survival and the continuation of their species. Their honking is not just noise, it's a complex form of communication. Each honk carries meaning, conveying warnings, greetings, and reassurances within the flock. This constant communication strengthens their bond and ensures the safety of all members. As the days grow shorter and the air turns crisp, Canadian geese heed the call of the wild. They gather in large flocks, their honking echoing across the sky. They are preparing for their annual migration, an epic journey spanning thousands of miles. Canadian geese are found throughout North America. They breed in Canada and Alaska during the summer months. As winter approaches, they fly south to warmer climates. This migration takes them to the southern United States, Mexico, and even as far as Central America. They follow traditional flyways, navigating by landmarks, the stars, and the Earth's magnetic field. Their V-formation flight is a marvel of nature. This aerodynamic formation reduces wind resistance, allowing them to conserve energy during their long journey. They fly at altitudes of up to 9,000 feet, covering hundreds of miles in a single day. Their arrival in their wintering grounds is a welcome sight. They congregate on lakes, ponds, and marshes, their honking filling the air. These habitats provide them with ample food and open water, allowing them to survive the winter months. Canadian geese are primarily herbivores. Their diet consists mainly of plant matter, including grasses, sedges, aquatic plants, and grains. They are often seen grazing in fields and meadows, their heads bobbing as they pluck at the vegetation. They are particularly fond of tender shoots and seeds. They are adept swimmers and use their long necks to reach underwater plants and roots. They also use their beaks to filter food from the water, much like a duck. Their feeding habits can sometimes bring them into conflict with humans. They are known to graze on lawns and crops, leading to conflicts with homeowners and farmers. However, their role in the ecosystem is undeniable. They are prey animals for predators like foxes, wolves, and birds of prey. Their droppings help fertilize the soil, contributing to the health of their habitats. Their presence is a reminder of the interconnectedness of all living things.